this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get Claude Pro for free, and I mean 100% free, and this is available worldwide. With this method, you don't need to enter your card and you can actually do this multiple times. So if you love Claude AI but you don't have the money to subscribe to the Pro plan, or you just want to cut cost, then this video is for you. I'm going to show you guys how to get the Claude Pro plan for free, so make sure you stick around till the very end of the video. Now before we jump into the video, if this is your first time on my channel, on this channel I mostly talk about free AI tools. I also make videos about side hustle and a little bit of crypto. So if you're interested in any of this topic, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out anytime I drop another video just like the one you're about to watch. So with that being said, let's go ahead and jump right into the video. Alright, so what you need to do is to go over to Google and type coupondealers.com. Stick around to the very end because there are still some things that if you try to jump into the platform right now and do everything by yourself, you might miss this opportunity. So make sure you stick around to the end so you understand every single thing before you go ahead and get started. So once you search coupondealers.com, go ahead and click on it, and it's going to take you to this site. This is a site that is going to give us a coupon. We are going to use it. So all I'm going to do is to come over here at the top. You can see the search bar here. I'm just going to tap on it and search Claude. You can see this is Claude. I'm going to go ahead, tap on it. So if I scroll down here, you can see this is Claude Pro free, and you can see the total amount of code that remains is 305 code that remains, and it's going to expire in 33 minutes. So you have to be fast about it, but sometimes they do bring code time to time. So depending on when you are watching this video, you may go ahead and check the website and there will be new codes. So don't get discouraged if you are watching this video late. So right now I'm just going to go ahead and click on get code. Once I click on get code, you can see another person has used the code. You can see code remain is 300 left. So let's just go ahead and use it before it is completely used. You can see it's also dropped right now. So I'm just going to be fast about it. So I'm going to go ahead and click on show code. So once I click on it, you can see right here, you can see it loading right here. So let's wait for it. You can see the code is locked. Your coupon code is ready. The code will be revealed in the box below after verification. So you can see here it says locked. So let's just go ahead and click on where it says get full code. It's going to load up and take me right here. Now basically the platform is going to show you ad, so you're not actually paying anything for this code. You can see it says 2 free offers need to be completed to unlock your code. These apps sponsor coupon dealers and we could not provide our coupons without them. So you can see here you are going to complete 2 sponsored apps for you to get the codes. So right now I'm just going to go ahead and click on the first one here, which it says download and install this app, then run it for 30 seconds to unlock this content. So I'm just going to tap on it, download. So it's going to load up and take you to either your Google Play Store or App Store. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on get to download the app. I'm going to wait for the app to download. You can see it's downloading right here. So let's go ahead and wait. All right, so the app is downloaded. I'm going to click on the app and you can see it's opening right here. They say we should use it for 30 seconds. So I'm going to create an account. So right now you can see that the app is now working on my phone. Now remember, you are asked to download the app and use it for at least 30 seconds. So you are not just going to download the app and then go ahead and try to get the code. And again, you cannot cheat the system because they are actually tracking it. You just have to be honest. So we're going to go back to the platform again. Now once I completed that and come back here on the coupon page, you can now see that I have completed 1 out of 2 sponsored apps, which is this one right here, the Bible app. I downloaded it, registered and interact with the app. So that is basically how to do it. Now I'm going to go ahead and complete the second one. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this one. This one said win a Samsung S25, enter your details. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on this one here. I'm going to tap on it here, click on unlock. So right here you can see they are basically going to ask you some questions, and you can see they give you time. You're going to answer 4 questions. So you can see the first question is what is your gender? I'm going to select man. Second question is how old are you? So for me, I'm going to select 20 to 29. And the next question is how many people live with you? So for me, I'm going to select 2. So answer this question according to your own situation. So the next question is, have you ever used this device? I would say no. So I've never using it. So that is the question. So I've done answering my question. So next, I'm going to come back here on the offer page. Once you click back, you'll be able to see the code. So you can see this is my code right here on the screen. So the next thing you need to do is to just copy the code, to go over to Claude and make use of it to get your free pro account. Now you can do this unlimited times if you want. So guys, go ahead and try this and let me know in the comment section if it actually works for you. For me, it works for me, and I've seen a lot of people that made use of this method and it works just fine. So let me know in the comment section if you tried it and it works for you or not. Thanks for watching so much. If you do appreciate me making this video, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out anytime I drop another video. And with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.